One political analyst is calling for a further probe into the acquisition of the financial information.
I think if we also look at some of the explanations that's now been given, for example, by Absa Bank about why their name has been mentioned or is mentioned, and the fact that they completely denies that they have donated money, it's clear that there is some investigation that has to be done, preferably by the court in the process of the way in which they will look at the report. And I think in the end, if we again look at the trend or the precedent that has been established now by the previous court judgments, then it is certainly, so far, it's leaning towards President Ramaphosa.
Okay, and something that's obviously got to be discussed today is how this information was put out to the public. I mean, whether it's legal and whether this sort of thing can be acceptable coming from her office.
Yeah, I think it will go back to what exactly was referred to her by the Democratic Alliance, and specifically Mmusi Maimane. What did he wanted her to investigate? And as we can look at the record so far, as well as the introduction in a report, is that it is about the 500,000 rand that Gavin Watson donated to the CR17 campaign. But since then, we've seen about all sorts of other matters that have appeared in that report of the Public Protector, about other companies or other persons who have allegedly donated, about bank accounts that's referred to, private bank accounts. And what is now specifically part of the application by President Ramaphosa is that those accounts that are not his accounts, that those must be sealed. Plus then the question of who gave permission for the Public Protector to have access to his emails and to those accounts, because the banks denied that they provided these accounts to the Public Protector. So that it raises a lot of very serious questions.